Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you how I do mini twists and on my daughter wet hair. So as you all know, I love working with session. As already session her hair, cut some part at the front and some at the center and at the back. So I'm starting with the back side. So I just apply my leave-in condition on it. Now I will go with my blesomid organic flax hair grow cream. So I will apply as well. Use my hand to massage the cream on the hair. So I will also be going with a spoomer, although I put a lot here, but I will use my hand to smooth it all over the hair, just like this. So now I will start braiding and twisting the same time. So I will braid from the root just to from 3 to 4 times at the root, then I will start twisting. So our hair is freshly washed. We just wash it now, then we just move over to do this hairstyle. I didn't blow dry her hair, so that is it. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are very welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscribers. I say may God bless you. So I just continue braiding and twisting her hair. So for those of you that is asking me if you can do mini twist or mini braid with wet hair, yeah, these videos has already answered your question. Yes, you can do mini braid on mini twist with dry or wet hair. Okay, so that is the reason why I make this video, for you to see you can actually do it with wet hair. Okay, so if you don't want to blow dry your hair, or you are the type that is afraid that whenever you put heat on your hair, the result is damaged, so you can use wet hair as well. So now we are moving over to the front side of the hair. As you all know, on my video I don't waste too much time, I don't waste people time, so I just go ahead to the point. So I will just teach you the main thing that I need to teach, then I will just move over. So this is it. I part the hair, I cut the hair into two, and I apply the leave-in condition and the blesomid fast hair grow on it. So just the same that I do at the back side, I just do the same at the front side. So the reason of this is to keep the hair smooth, shine, and no freeze, to prevent it from freezing even before taking it out. Okay, so that is it. Then I also apply spuma on it to make it coil. Yeah, just to make the hair smooth, neat, and coil as well. Okay, so now I will just braid. I will detangle first, then I will braid. So please, if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to help me share this video. Press the like button, press the subscribing button if you have not yet done so. I really appreciate if you will do that for me, and God bless you. If you are following us on YouTube, on Facebook as well, TikTok, Instagram, may God bless you. May God richly bless you in Jesus' name. So this is our hairstyle. We are on the round, the last one. So I will just pick the front side little by little so that she will not feel pains. I will just pick it little by little. Like you all already know, I don't like using gel on hair, so my braid is neat. So I will just make sure I'm doing it gently so she will not cry or feel pains. Okay, in this part she was telling me that it's paining her, so that I have then I was releasing my hand. You can see the way I'm doing it, so she will not feel pain. Because if children don't actually feel pains while doing their hair, they will allow you to do it next time. But if they are feeling pains, they will not even want you to come close to them. So that you have to keep in back of your mind. So I do it gently. You see she's calm because it's no longer paining her. Okay, so that is it. Now after finish cornrowing the hair, I will end up the tip with twisting. I will just end it up with twisting. So the style is really beautiful. Yeah, there's the finished look. I'm going to be applying blesomid fast hair growth oil on the root, on the scalp. So I'm going to be applying the oil. So I will apply the oil all over the root, all over the root. As you can see, her scalp is very neat and clean. Yeah, very neat and clean. So I will use my hands to massage the root, the scalp, for blood circulation. So this will help the hair to grow more faster. Okay, so just this way. So we are done with the hair. So guys, let me show you our results. As you can see, this is all natural hair. There is no expression on it. Very beautiful. I don't know if you can see it very well. Very neat, beautiful, and coiling. Very beautiful, guys. If you see this without camera, the hair was so beautiful. With a length, she has a very good length of hair. So, and her hair is very healthy, long, and beautiful. Natural hair is beauty. So yeah, she's rocking her hair already. So this is our new hairstyle. She's going to be wearing this for 1 month. She will be wearing this for 1 month. So I just put a little edge control on the front side, just for the sake of this video. Yeah, I just put a little bit of edge control on the front side. So please guys, see you on our next video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.